welcome to Cryssberry Reviews and Tips once again. Today our product for review is a 7-speed stand mixer, mini stand mixer. There are so many kitchen appliances and utensils that we have purchased in the past thinking that they are going to be really useful to us, but they lie in one corner of the kitchen unused for decades. I came across this product when I was searching for some baking goods online, and I kind of stumbled upon this product and I found it really attractive and I thought it could be really useful to me, and above all the price was too attractive to ignore. So then I decided to give it a try and I purchased it, and then what happened? Well, that's what we're gonna see, so let's go. So this is our 7-speed mini stand mixer, and so there is 7-speed adjustment on it. You gotta use the same button to push to release the whisk attachment from the base. So this is the base of it, and so here you can see that we have a good 2-liter stainless steel mixing bowl which comes with it, and here you have the dough hook attachments and the whisk attachment. And this is another thing which I don't like. It's a very flimsy stand, a plastic stand that's very fragile and can be easily broken, and it's so weightless. And we particularly buy this product for the reason that it has a stand, and when the stand itself is not strong, then what is the point in having it, right? So that's one thing to remember while purchasing this. So here let's attach the whisk attachment, and now let's see how it functions. So here you have a button to fix the mixer onto the stand. So you have to just press it like this. Okay. So one important thing that I want you to see is this. There is so much space between the whisk attachment and the mixing bowl. The distance between the two is only supposed to be just about the thickness of a coin, not more than that. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to whip smaller quantities of ingredients. Like if you're going to whisk 2 eggs, then that is not going to be possible this way. As you can see, though I have added a cup of water, the whisk is touching only the surface of the water and not coming in proper contact. This is what happens when the bowl actually sits inside the circle. So for that, the only way is, instead of placing the bowl inside the circle, you gotta lift it and keep it on top of it like this. So now if you check, there is not too much space between the blade and the bowl. So now let's try. Just lift it up and see. So now you can see that it's coming in proper contact. And now you can see another problem here. As you start whipping, the whole stand and the mixer starts moving backwards, and you might have to set a brick or stone behind it to stop it from moving backwards. So in my opinion, the bottom line is that this product is not going to last long considering the build quality of the product, and you're not going to get any kind of warranty or guarantee, because when I checked for the product code printed on this box on the Kenwood website, I couldn't find this product. So I think this is a duplicate one too. So no warranty, no guarantee. So if you don't mind wasting a few bucks, you can give it a try. Otherwise, so hope you found this video helpful. Do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you soon with another useful video like this. Until then, bye.